Hey buddies, today I'm going to show you how to get emojis on your PC. This is going to work only on Windows 10. So go to taskbar and right click and click on show touch keyboard, and you will get a keyboard symbol in your taskbar. Click on that, and after that you get a screen keyboard. There you can see a smiley which indicates the emojis. So click on that and you will get all the emojis. This is how we get emojis in your mobile keyboard. So to check once, you will type somewhere. You will type in a browser, and here you can see all the emojis are working. Likewise, you can use the emojis in your PC. And thanks for watching my video.